Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. Today I'm going to discuss about Indiabull Housing Finance and the latest update on Tata Motors as well regarding the NCLT. Okay, first going with the Indiabull Housing Finance levels yesterday's. This is the daily chart. Okay, if you go through my last video, yesterday's video, I clearly told you, right, today also means my view gone on the negative side. Only you need to go for long above 308. If you remember, if you go through my video, you'll see that. Okay, so today personally I was in short and yeah, I got some 4 points. But see, remember one thing. Okay, see, as of now there is no volume at all. Okay, so don't get into the traps first of all. So today almost all the market except 10-15 stocks, rest all are sleeping. Okay, in the sense range bound sideways, no volume at all, dead volume. Okay, let me put you some 5 minutes chart. Okay, you will come to see that. See, the lastly there was some kind of a bounce from here. Okay, this is what the normally the operators, okay, operators will do, means they will have the money power to buy or move this candle upside. Okay, we cannot move. So forming a candle means there is a lot of buying happen. See, this is where buying happen. See the rest of the game, rest of all the portion, it's always sideways, right? See, there is no volume at all. So when this volume comes into picture is, I told you already, right, after 2:30. Okay, most of the time 2:30 is the crucial part, and morning I told you till 9:15 to 10:30. Okay, so once 10:30 is done, all the big hands will just go for a break till 2:30. If there is any event only, they'll come back to the systems. I mean to say, to place an order or to make a big block deal, something like that, to go ahead. Okay, they are, and market movers also never trade in between hours. Okay, most of the time, in the sense 90% they don't get involved. Let me come to the levels for tomorrow and Friday also. Okay, so if you see the 60 minutes chart, okay, hourly chart, this is hourly chart. As of now it is slowly coming down, right? 60 minutes chart means since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, 3 days, right? This week as of now it is coming down. So till what point it will come down is 275. There is some kind of small support is there. Okay, 275, 278. So that this is the area where some kind of support is there. Till that point it can come down. Okay, but overall trend, if you see in the daily time frame, it is sideways to downwards. Okay, right? Means see all these 3 days only, right? We just seen in the hourly chart. So but there is some kind of buying happened in the last week. So once this price falls into the 50% of this thing, it has a high chances probability to move upside also. So we need to wait for tomorrow's candle as well. Today also an Indonesian candle happened. So tomorrow also hopefully above, okay, only take long trade above this, above 308 only tomorrow also. And tomorrow if there is any price trading below 302, 301, okay, 301 below, then you can go for shorts till up to your, based on your levels. Okay, means your risk reward, that is up 1 rupee or 4 rupees or 3 rupees. Okay, but as of now the volumes are very less, so mostly it will be in this format only. Okay, like this. Okay, so how can you trade? First of all, see, you need to buy here, you need to sell here, buy here, sell here. So if you trade in 5 minutes chart, you'll get confused. Okay, so you need to be more patient, more waiting period will be there. Okay, so you need to work on that patience levels. Okay, first of all, to trade in this kind of range bound periods, else just watch the levels till you get the volume. I don't think so there will be huge volumes till Jan first week. Okay, So there will be some kind of movements, but there won't be any complete big trades like this kind of candles or this kind of candles you won't see. Yeah, hi friends, as told, right, this is the latest update on Tata Motors. Okay, just go through this. NCLAT restores Cyrus Mistry as executive chairman of Tata Sons. This is a breaking news, means it's the biggest news for tomorrow probably. Okay, after GST. So see, NCLT means National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Okay, that's a board actually which has restored Cyrus Mistry, who was removed unintentionally, saying that some kind of illegal things happened by him in the month of something like September October 2016. Okay, so from then onwards Chandrasekhan, okay, he was the appointed chairman. But now what NCLAT has done is he restored as executive chairman of Tata Group. Okay, and NCLT also said that Chandrasekhan appointment was illegal, and they have given a window of 4 weeks. Just a 4 weeks means a month, almost a month, means to Tata Sons actually to appeal before the Supreme Court. Okay, within these 4 weeks against restoring Mistry. So there was a 4 weeks of time for Tata Sons, but tomorrow is the last working day for Supreme Court, as it will be year end, and again it will open in the Jan 5th or 6th. So these guys don't have time also, Tata Sons. And NCLT noted that there was a prejudicial behavior from the Tata Sons towards minority shareholders. Whoever in the board or in the group, right, if they are having some kind of minority shares will be there, right, and normal investors as well. Okay, and it also noted that manner of removal of Mistry was hasty. Okay, so now there was a challenging period for Tata Group, and this is the biggest news because it will impact the entire group's business. Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Steel, okay, all these Tata ELXI, okay, there are a lot of other companies, right? So Tata DVR, all these, because of the internal things now, they came out like anything. Okay, now Ratan Tata has to involve, and Tata Sons will come on board and has to give some immediate clarification to first of all give some very good confidence to the investors. If not, first of all, Tata Motors gone down, Tata Global Beverage gone down, Tata Steel, Tata Coffee. Let me show you Motors, but I'll tell you the real story behind this in the next video, because I'm expecting the price. I already uploaded 2 weeks back, I guess I uploaded a Tata Motors video, 2-3 weeks mostly, because the price has to come back. There should be some kind of news on this Tata Motors or whatever the Tata Group, so that it will come back. Okay, I'll tell the real point, okay, in the next video. So here, if tomorrow and day after tomorrow there won't be any kind of small clarification, and if it is negative also again, and again if it is positive to Cyrus Mistry, then we gonna see some only gap downs. Okay, something like gap downs in Tata Motors, mostly Tata Motors. I need to check on Tata Steel, Tata other groups as well, but Tata Motors I'm expecting some kind of a very good fall. But till what point is, first stop will be 163, 162, and the next stops I cannot imagine, because as of now even I am also expecting some kind of a positive clarification from Tata Group, actually Tata Sons especially. So hopefully it will be a big boost to the investors' confidence. If not, there will be only fall. Okay, and for the long term investors who are holding from this period, means new investors will start buying from here, they can hold. Okay, these guys can hold. But other than this, right, those who are averaging since long time, you need to recheck your portfolio once, because you need to wait for the only clarification from Tata Sons first of all. If it is good for the company, then you can continue holding. If it is bad for the company, then you need to check your portfolio, because the correction is imminent in Tata Motors then. Okay, just see today's movement. Okay, this is, if the total negative news is not absorbed by this Tata Motors stock, then there will be lot of continuation in this fall. Okay, yeah. So there was a bounce actually in the last something like 10-15 minutes, hopefully, and this was because of some support. Okay, this is not because of any kind of positive news from Tata Group actually. Means clarification, I mean to say. The only thing is there were buyers sitting here long time back, and they just, means all those orders were executed, that's it. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow will give us clear clarity, means mostly tomorrow only will get a clear clarity, if not 2 days. But one thing we need to remember here is there is 4 weeks of time. Okay, in these 4 weeks lot more things will happen on all these Tata Group stocks, TCS. Okay, all these stocks, Tata Steel, Tata Coffee, Tata LXI. Okay, yeah, just if you are a new investor, if you want to invest on Tata Motors, just stay away for time being. For trading, definitely it is a worth, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow we might see huge volumes on this stock, definitely. Okay,